Yeah, got a rapper for. Got a rapper. Princess Margaret Home Lottery is here, it's time to shout. Because guess what James told me? Yep, it's 50% sold out. Yeah, grab your max $100. Don't worry about feeding yourself. Because the only way to get a house in Ontario is to win one, no doubt. You don't need a sugar daddy or pretend to be a CEO. Grab your credit card and be a superhero. Yo, girls, we go to party like it's 1999. Invite Vanilla Ice over to open up some wine. We can ice, baby, until the morning haze. Jump in the pool on Canadian hot days. Yeah, a rap war, yeah. Jump in the pool on Canadian hot days. Yo, on Canadian hot days. Yo. Thanks for watching Mansions and Memorials, and see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know about Oxio.ca, which is the home internet choice of James. You can get your first month free using the referral code RYMVMAG. I think you'll really love it.